Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you a AI service on Samsung. They have AI weather. Crazy, I know, right? So basically, the weather is going to show up on your device. Like you already know what it is, but I mean, you can even put the widget. You could put the weather widget by holding the middle button and go into widgets, and then you're able to add, anything you want to, things like that. But yeah, so the way you get to the AI wallpaper to where it shows the effect, it's going to show that it snows. Like so, if it's snowing in your area, it's going to show snowflakes on your screen, whatever wallpaper you want. When it's raining, it's going to show droplets on your device. I actually can't. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna hold it. Right, hold the background, and then after that, you're gonna go to wallpaper and style. Okay, and you're gonna go to change wallpaper. Then you go to change wallpaper. There should be a create with AI section right here, and what we're gonna do is you're gonna tap that, and then you're gonna you can go to about photo ambient, so it just shows you, photo ambient wallpaper uses AI to change your own photo based on time and weather. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be dope. It's gonna be, oh my goodness, it's gonna be wild. If it's sunny, it's gonna show like a sun or something. I don't know, something. It's gonna be cool though. I promise you. All right, and go to photo ambient. Once you go to photo ambient, you put the thing right here. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna hit. Let's see. Let's hit play there. What does play do? Okay, it's doing something. Okay, so it's snowing, raining. So see, that's fly. That's dope. Really fly stuff, right? So we're gonna hit done. Okay, cool. All right, dope, dope. So now I got my weather on here. You know what I'm saying? So now whenever something happens, it's going to be here. So that's super cool. So yo, if you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment section. Let's get into it. Happy New Year. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you in a new video. Peace.